Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to download and install PyCharm on your Mac. This guide works on MacBook, iMac, and Mac Mini, and it supports both Apple Silicon and Intel Macs. Let's get started. First, open any web browser. I'm using Brave, but Safari, Chrome, or Firefox will work just fine. In the search bar, type Download PyCharm, then press Enter. From the search results, click on the official JetBrains website. I'll also leave the direct download link in the video description. Once you're on the PyCharm download page, choose the correct version for your Mac, either Apple Silicon or Intel. If you're not sure which one you have, click the Apple menu in the top left corner of your screen and select About this Mac. If you see Apple M1, M2, M3, or M4, you're using an Apple Silicon Mac. If it says Intel, then you're on an Intel-based Mac. After selecting the correct version, click Download. Save the installer to your Downloads folder. The download time may vary depending on your internet speed. When the download is complete, open your Downloads folder and double-click the installer file. A new window will appear. Simply drag the PyCharm icon into the Applications folder. This installs PyCharm on your Mac. Once it's done, you can close the window and delete the installer file to free up space. Next, open Finder, go to Applications, and locate PyCharm. Double-click to launch it. If macOS shows a security message saying PyCharm was downloaded from the internet, just click Open to continue. When PyCharm launches for the first time, accept the user agreement by clicking Continue. You'll then be asked to activate PyCharm. If you already have a license or subscription, click Activate and enter your details. Otherwise, select Start Free Trial to begin using PyCharm for free. And that's it. PyCharm is now installed on your Mac and you're ready to start coding. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more simple and helpful tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.